Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about the demonstration what really is relative and comparative operators is. We have learned about the demonstration of arithmetic operator and how to implement in the program. So in this video we are learning how to implement the relational and comparative operators. So that to learn here, first make sure you have to do, first let's take a as int. For my convenience, as int, which is input taken in the text, enter the value of a, enter the a, let's say enter with double quotes and add with double parenthesis and enter a. If I enter a is nothing but 10. Okay, for my convenience, let's second b as int, and which is also input, and in the text enter the b. So what will it be? Ended with double quotes and also ended with double parenthesis. For my convenience, b is taken as 12. To implement here the relational and comparative operator, we just need print a equals to, for my convenience, a equals to, which is a, and b equals to, which is b equals to a. So a is taken as 10 and b is taken as 12. Here a is not printed for the reason, just let it be the reason. So to implement the relational and comparative operators, stay tuned. Let's say print a equals to b. It's right or wrong? Let's say it is, we already know it is not right, it is not correct. Let's say what the programming says, it is false, we already know. So to implement another thing, print a is greater than b and commas a is greater than b. It is false because a is 10, b is 12. Let's say print a is less than b. That is true. For the computer convenience, let's say what is the real answer is a less than b. What is the answer would be? Answer is, we actually know it is true. That is also true. So the third thing is print a is greater than or equals to b. Yeah, actually this is also false. Let's say what is that is b. True or not? Let's say it is false. So let's say again print a is less than or equals to b. Let's say the same thing here also. So that with parenthesis, it is true. We actually know that. You know what? There is no difference between a is greater than b or a is less than b. It is equals to, with the here a equals to, a greater than or equal to b is not difference with a greater than b, because we know that both the answer would be false. If a equals to 10, b equals to 10, it will be true. So it is not true. So the last thing is a is not equals to b. Let's print out that also. Print a not equals to b. Okay, let's say a not equals to b. What it prints? It is also true. So thank you guys for being with me for learning the demonstration of relational and comparative operator. Stay tuned guys for the third one, the third component of operator, that is logical. So stay tuned guys for more updates. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel.